Hi, it's Kev here from Tentworld at Ipswich. Today I'm going to show you what we commonly get calls about, which is you go and unpack your gazebo either on holidays or at a market, and you go to set your frame up and your little silver leg button has gone missing. So I'm going to show you a few things on how to fix that in the field and a couple of little tools that you need to have in your gazebo bag. Okay, so I've got one of these frames here. This is one of our most commonly sold frames, which is the Australia Deluxe frame. And nothing worse, you go to your campsite or you're at the markets and you go to pull your frame out and you go to set your gazebo up and one of your leg buttons is missing. So what it should look like is like this, with your little press button, and as you can see this one's not there. So it's all panic stations. What am I going to do? My gazebo won't stay up. So we'll show you how to fix this and a few things that you need in the field. So two pieces of kit you should have in your gazebo bag with you is, I've got a hardened piece of wire here and I've bent it with pliers with a couple of hooks. You can use a coat hanger and straighten it out and put some hooks on the end, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So these, if you carry them in your gazebo bag with you, you'll be able to fix this out in the field. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take this leg cap off, and it's held on with two screws. One Phillips head screw here. So we just undo that one there first. Put it in your pocket so you don't lose it. Got another screw around this side. So we're going to take that one off as well. Put that one in the pocket. And then we're going to lift that cap leg off. So then you have access into the top of the leg, and you'll be able to then put your wire down in your leg like so. And you'll notice that the button's gone. Most of the time the button will go below the hole, because when you packed it up last time, the leg button caught on the clip and pushed it down into the hole. So if we poke that down, we wiggle it around a little bit, and there it is. So all we've done is hook the button, popped it back up to the hole, and now we're good to go. A little bit of silicone spray on these doesn't hurt. It helps keep them nice and free and loose, helps avoid the problem happening again. So from there, all we're going to do is we're just going to pop the leg cap back on, and we're going to reattach your screws. Making sure that your little wall hook is still there. All done, and then you're ready to go. So thanks for watching today. And if you've got any questions, pop into one of the stores and see one of the staff. Otherwise, go onto our website, hop online, and you can send a message to online staff. They're also equally ready to help you and educate you about things like this.